Yo, I swear, all this time you guys have been telling me that I look like motherfucking Kelly Rowland, and I actually feel like today I look like Kelly Rowland, like, whoo child.
Baby, you summertime fine.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's the Good Bellamecia and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be attempting the wet look. I love this look so much. Even like when Tiana Taylor was doing it, J-Lo, like Rihanna, like all the celebrities was killing it. And now it has made its way to freaking YouTube and I am so here for it. I'm not gonna lie, like your girl was a bit hesitant to try out this look. I just didn't think like I could pull it off. You know, my head is kind of on the big side. You know, I got that 5 head going on. Okay girl, it's not a secret. Comment down below if you're a part of the 5 head gang crew. Y'all know what I'm talking about, okay? You know, I felt like I would probably look like some kind of alien, you know, or I just didn't think I could pull it off. But as you can see, your girl has pulled it off and I'm super duper proud of myself. Edges are slayed, my hair is slicked back, looking like I just got out of a pool. Where is my drink? So if you guys want to see how I achieved this wet look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we are starting off with freshly washed hair. I already co-washed my hair in the shower, so I'm just gonna take it out this twisty turby thing. I co-washed my hair with Love Beauty and Planet Gentle Cleansing Conditioner. While in the shower, just to save some time, I also put Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner in my hair. Alright, so I'm just gonna start off by parting off a section of my hair in the back. So I'm just gonna re-wet my hair with some water, kind of get that leave-in conditioner reactivated. The next layer of moisture that I'm gonna use is gonna be Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream by Natural 85. Y'all know about this product already. So I'm just gonna scoop out probably like a quarter size amount, and I'm kind of just splitting this in subsections just to make sure all of my hair strands are coated with the product. I'm just gonna detangle that section with my Denman brush. Alright, so far so good. So right now I'm just gonna apply my gel. The gel that I'm gonna be using today is the Ecostyler Olive Oil and Shea Butter Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Gel. Now I know that I have not used Ecostyler Gel in a long time. Like ever since that whole hoopla was going around about it being canceled because it had like bad ingredients. But it turns out that they did revamp their product. So I'm gonna give it another go. And after seeing how natural Nisi's hair came out after her video, I'm like, bruh, I gotta try this out, okay? So I'm gonna take out a quarter size amount. I'm just applying the gel in small sections. Then I'm gonna take my Denman brush and kind of just rake it through my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side before I start like piling the gel on. So now that the back section is all coated with the moisturizing cream and the gel, I'm just gonna re-wet it with some water. Then we're gonna take some more of the gel and kind of pat it down on top of the row that you just did. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can get a better view. Yeah, so I'm literally just packing the gel on because you want it to stay flat. You want that sucker to like stick onto the back of your head. I'm gonna take my Denman brush and kind of just not raking it through all of my hair, but just like the roots. Alright, so we're done with the first section, so I'm going to part another section. This section's kind of bigger than the first one I did, but it's okay. Alright, so first wetting this section with water, getting it soaking, dripping wet. So after I saturate that section with water, I'm just gonna apply some Melanin hair care. Alright, so then I'm gonna take my Denman brush and just thoroughly detangle it. When your hair is fully detangled, it just ensures that each strand is coated with the product that you're using. So next up, Ecostyler Gel, and just kind of separate it into smaller sections when applying it. I suggest that if you're doing this style to like put a towel like on your floor or a plastic bag or something, because it really does get messy. I'm just gonna use my Denman brush and detangle it. And I'm just gonna leave my hair like that and work on the next section. I promise y'all, like I don't ever use gel in my hair for like wash and goes or twist out. I only use gel for like my edges or if I'm doing like a high puff. So using gel right now, especially this amount, is so new for me. But one thing I could definitely tell you guys, just to protect your strands when you're doing this wet look, is to deep condition your hair beforehand, just to give your hair that extra moisture and to protect it from like getting damaged by all this gel. Because I honestly don't know if it's healthy to use like this amount of gel, but I mean, if it helps achieve the look, I guess. So we're gonna take the water bottle again and we're just gonna spray on some more water before we pile on the gel. And this is just gonna help give it like that wavy, you know, sexy, just got out the shower look. Some more gel. Oh my god, this makes like the worst sound. It sounds like you mix in mac and cheese, or like, it sounds like some other stuff, but I'm not gonna say it. But if you know, you know. It just sounds really ushy gushy. I feel like my hair is still lifting up. So I'm just brushing it down with this soft bristle brush and kind of guiding it towards the middle. So this is what the back is looking like. Alright, so I think you guys get the hang of what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna speed up these next few clips.
It's what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free.
I'm kind of gonna do my edges as I'm like pushing the front of my hair backward. So I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb. So I'm kind of just like tugging on my edges and like sliding the comb back and using my finger to like shape it. Alright you guys, so I ended up doing a center part, but I'm actually doing the center part just to help me bring my hair back. I'm not gonna like, you know, put it to the side. I'm just gonna slick everything back. Alright you guys, so I just finished the other side of my head. As you can see, the baby hairs are finessed. Then all I'm gonna do is lay my edges right now, because as you can see, the sides of my hair are like poofing up. I don't really have a small headscarf, so I'm just gonna fold it in like 3, and all I'm gonna do is tie it right around my edges. I'm gonna grab my other headscarf and I'm just gonna fold it in like a triangle, and I'm going to tie it right around the first headscarf that we placed around our edges. And just because I felt like the sides of my hair were really trying to puff up like every chance it could get, I'm gonna go ahead and be extra, just like Nisi, and tie it around my hair a 3rd time. So I'm gonna let this bad boy dry for like an hour because I really gotta head out, and I will check in with you guys later to do the big reveal. Alright you guys, so it's officially been like an hour and a half of me drying my hair. So I'm just gonna begin to take off all 3 of the scarves that we tied on earlier. I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of excited to see how it's gonna come out, because if it comes out good, this is definitely gonna be my summertime look. Shoot, might even make it to fall. Clearly my hair is still wet, alright? I feel like if I wanted it to actually dry, I have to leave it for like a half a day or something. Alright, time for the big reveal. What? Okay. Yo, this is a look. This is a look, you guys. Where the have I been? Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, like your girl is feeling herself to the max right now. Honestly, I feel like that 3-layer satin scarf thing that Nisi put us onto, that definitely helped keep right hair down. Like it's still trying to creep out, but it's still sexy. Like this is such a look. Yo, the wet look is definitely a go. I want to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are y'all feeling the look as much as I'm feeling the look, or what? Like, let me know. I think all of my black queens should be trying this look out for the summer. Alright you guys, I think that should complete this video. As you can see, I am 1000% feeling the wet look. I'm really shocked at how my hair came out. I really was not expecting it to come out as good as it is right now. Like, wow. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and let me know what videos you guys want to see next. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beauties. I'm feeling like J-Lo and Flashdance. Like, I just wanna, you know, I just feel so, ooh, this is so feminine.